Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Monday, January the 20th, 2025. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left. The 4 stars jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle number 9942. Yeah, 9942. Let me zoom this. Come on. Okay. Need some space here. Zoom this. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits, that's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the ones. We have here 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Well, double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. What, between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. First O, second O, third O, fourth O. That box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3 ones. If we place number 4 there, then we will have 3 O's in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Well, between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check, 1, 2, 3, oh. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, in 4 minutes. Well, this one need more minutes to solve. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.